Maison Barnich by Dagli plus Atelier d'Architecture in Monnerech, Luxembourg. This private house was built on a plot of land in a residential area on the outskirts of Mondercange, south of Luxembourg. It stands on a quiet street in a residential-type area with single-family housing, integrated into the urban structure of the sector in a contemporary way. Although the shape of the roof is clearly different from the surrounding buildings, it is nevertheless perfectly integrated by the softness of the use of the brick together with the light gray zinc roof material. This brick residential building was completed through work based on different views and perceptions of the interior and exterior, also on the relationships between the rooms and their connection to the surroundings. Therefore, while the living area is located on the main floor with a direct connection to a back private terrace and garden, on the upper level 4 bedrooms are sensibly distributed around the main core. The windows are characterized by their large size and Dagli's frames, achieved through the clever arrangement of the bricks in different ways. The entrance appears as a cut on the corner's main facade, on a higher level than the street and opposite the garage entrance to the basement. The structure of the house is realized in concrete and wrapped with brick, using this traditional material to create a very modest yet powerful materiality that exalts its handcrafted nature in an innovative way. The roof is a very powerful element of the project, made of zinc and matches the light clear color of the bricks, playing with the shape of the volume with kinks that give the project a modern and unique perception.